Number 6, when the score was announced, 420 students were elated, and the rest were dejected. If the ratio of elated to dejected was 2 to 9, how many students were there in all? Okay, so the ratio of elated to dejected is the same thing. Elated to dejected is 2, it's the same as 2 is to 9. Okay? And we say to ourselves, oh, they told me some information in the problem. I want you to remember that this is my little sample size. I assume it's a small school of 420 students. And, well, no, there's more than that. There's more than 420. But it's still a small school as far as we look at it. But there's this little sample size that's 2 out of 9. Now, obviously, you don't have a school with 11 students, you know. You have this little school building, and there's 2 students over here who are elated, and there's 9 who are dejected, and the whole school is 11 students. Yeah, this is just a sample, a representative sample of the whole school. So then when we want to compare it to the whole school, we say, how many are elated and dejected in the whole school? And it's 420 students that were elated in the whole school, and we don't know how many were dejected, but we can find out. So we say, well, 2 times d, we use our cross multiplication, 2 times d is equal to, let's see here, we're going to say 490 times 9. 420 is what I meant to say, 420 times 9. And, you know, I could get my calculator out and actually multiply that, but I know there's something coming here, so I'm not going to do that. It's 2 times d, so to undo the 2 times d, I'm going to divide, and a fraction is division. So now I just have d is equal to, now the reason I didn't go ahead and multiply that was because I knew I was just going to come over here and cancel anyway. So let's see, 2 into 42 is 21. Okay, and then I get a 0. So I have 21 with a 0, half of 420 is 21 with a 0, times 9. Okay, and now I think I can do that with our calculator as well. I think it's 1890. But since I'm trying to teach you, I'm going to make sure that that's true. And indeed it is. Okay, so there's that many that were dejected. So maybe it's not such a small school after all. There's not, you know, there's a lot more dejected than elated. So if I wanted the total, I'd add the 1,890 together with the 420, and I guess that's a pretty big school. Okay, sorry. I saw the 420 and I thought, not a very big school, but then I remembered most people were dejected in this story, so it's just a small percent who are elated. I hope you're one of the ones who is elated later. Score, it could have been sports, it could have been academics, whatever you like the story to be about. Okay.